Ever felt like you're stuck in a social media rut? Scrolling through the same feeds, the same content, the same manufactured drama? Yeah, me too. That's why today, we're diving into something different. Something exciting. We're talking about Neon, a revolutionary platform that's redefining online communities. But before we jump in, have you ever heard that nagging voice asking, is there more to this? Is there a space where genuine connections and authentic conversations thrive? Well, buckle up, because Neon might just be the answer you've been searching for. The Neon difference. So, what exactly is Neon? Imagine a platform built on shared interests, curated content, and meaningful interactions. No more algorithms shoving irrelevant content down your throat. On Neon, you take control. Leans in, think of it as your own personal clubhouse, buzzing with people who genuinely share your passions. Whether it's astrophysics, underwater basket weaving, or obsessing over that obscure 80s sitcom, there's a Neon corner for it. Sounds pretty cool, right? But with all this talk of revolution, one question might be lingering. How exactly do I join this exclusive club? Joining the Neon tribe. Fear not, fellow adventurers. Joining Neon is easier than you think. Here's the breakdown. Head to the Neon website. It's a sleek, user-friendly experience, so finding the sign-up page shouldn't be a problem. Craft your profile. This is your chance to shine. Tell Neon what makes you tick, your areas of expertise, and the communities you'd love to connect with. Get verified. Neon uses a light-touch verification process to ensure a safe and secure environment. It's quick and painless, just a way to keep the trolls at bay. Dive in. Once you're verified, the world of Neon is your oyster. Explore communities, connect with like-minded individuals, and start fostering those meaningful connections. Host, excitedly, see? Simple as that. Now, getting in is one thing, but what makes Neon truly special is the sense of belonging it fosters. You'll find genuine conversations, insightful discussions, and maybe even discover a hidden talent or two along the way. Neon's not-so-secret weapon, curated content. But wait, there's more. Neon understands that time is precious. That's why they've built in a powerful content curation engine. Here's how it works. Tell Neon your interests. Remember that profile you painstakingly crafted? It becomes your roadmap for personalized content. AI magic. Neon's clever AI scours the web, sniffing out articles, videos, and discussions that resonate with your passions. No more sifting through endless irrelevant content. Feed the fire. The more you interact with Neon, the smarter its recommendations become. It's your own personal learning assistant, constantly evolving to bring you the best of the web. Think of it as having your own personal research assistant, constantly on the lookout for the coolest, most relevant articles and discussions on the topics you care about. Pretty neat, huh? Embrace the Neon glow. Look, the online space can be a bit of a minefield. But with Neon, you can finally escape the noise and connect with people who truly get you. It's a place to learn, share, and build genuine connections that go beyond the like button. So, are you ready to ditch the social media rut and embrace the Neon glow? Head over to the website, sign up, and get ready to experience the internet in a whole new light. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy neoning.